So, a new name, Dwayne, needs to be added to the participants list, and we'll use a method called append. Think of the terms method and function as interchangeable, because in practice, methods work quite like functions. However, the technically correct term to use in this situation is method. Here is the syntax that allows you to call ready-made built-in methods that you do not have to create on your own and can be used in Python directly. After the name of the object, which in this case is the participants list, we'll put a dot called a dot operator. The dot operator allows you to call in or invoke a certain method. To call the method append, state its name, followed by parentheses. To insert the name Dwayne in our list, we must put the string Dwayne in inverted commas between the parentheses. After we execute the cell, we should have Dwayne added to our group. Shift and Enter. Correct. Great. Remember this general structure because we have to comply with it if we wish to call any existing method in Python. Alternatively, the same result can be achieved by using the extend method. Let's invite George and Catherine in our group. First, let's invoke the extend method. Okay, good. This time, within the parentheses, we'll have to add brackets as we are going to extend the participants list by adding a list specified precisely in these parentheses. Execute through Shift and Enter, and you'll have the two pieces attached: the initial participants list and the extension. Thus, you still manage to enlarge your original list, right? A couple more things before we close this lesson. First, let me show you that lists' elements are directly treated as string values. After printing this command, we can see the first participant in our list is John. It was not necessary to put any quotation marks around the participants element to do that. Perfect. Finally, the len built-in function counts the number of elements in an object. For instance, if our word is dolphin, this function tells us it is composed of 7 letters. More importantly, though, this same function can be applied for obtaining the number of elements in a list. Applied to the list we have here, it shows us the list entails 6 members. Awesome! To summarize, observe how a built-in function takes the object participants as an argument, while when we are calling built-in methods, they are applied to the participants list with the help of the dot operator. The different syntax helps you distinguish between the two. By the way, lists can be sliced too, but more on that in our next video. Thanks for watching.